Hi everyone. Today I will show you my first Spanish lesson on langlalang.com. I will occasionally pause to provide various comments. In this video, the comments will be in English. If you are new to the channel or my page, please watch my video where I talk about the Spanish language challenge. Also check out the video where I introduce my website, langlalang.com. All links will be attached to this video, so let's get started. My native language is Russian, so my entire website is in Russian. But you can switch to another language here. For example, now I will switch to English. And so we need to upload my beginner's guide to Spanish on langlalang.com. I already have it. I copied it from another website into my text file. I will attach the link to the website where I got the guide to this video. Next, I will read my guide and I will read aloud and save all the new Spanish words. A, O, E, I, Ira, Ira, Ruido, Ruido, Tierra, 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 Que, Ki, Que, Ki, Que, Querer, 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 I, Ge, Guerra, Guitarra, Guitarra, Gue, Gue, Iguena, 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 Iguenia, Next, I need to repeat all the new words. Well, I need to review 20 new words. Let's begin. Tierra, tierra. Irra, irra. Ruido, ruido. Querer. Guerra, guerra. Guitarra. Cigüeña, cigüeña. Pingüino, pingüino. Pan y carne, pan y carne. Ya, 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 ya. Buey, buey, buey. Blanco y negro, blanco y negro. Mm. Dice, dice, dice. Dice, dice. Irra, irra. Well, we have just finished my first Spanish lesson together on langlalang.com. I hope you found it interesting to learn how to easily start learning a new language and significantly expand your vocabulary on the very first day. Thank you for watching this video until the end. Subscribe to my YouTube channel or follow me on one of my social media pages. See you in the next video. Hasta luego.